Plymouth, 1620. As you read, think about the following. Why was the colony founded? Who were the people that founded the colony? What problems did the colony encounter? What was the main purpose of the colony? The second English colony was founded for religious reasons by a group of Protestant Christians known as Pilgrims or Separatists. They were unhappy with the policies of the Church of England. In an attempt to escape persecution, the Pilgrims first fled to Holland. In 1620, a group of pilgrims sailed to the Americas. They landed at Plymouth in present-day Massachusetts. At Plymouth, they established the first permanent European settlement in New England. They committed themselves to a life based on the Bible. Before going ashore, the Pilgrims pledged themselves to self-government by signing an agreement known as the Mayflower Compact. They agreed to form their own government and to obey its laws. Another group of English Protestants, the Puritans, landed in nearby Massachusetts Bay in 1630. They came to practice their own religious beliefs without persecution. They wanted to purify the church. These Puritans planned to establish a more virtuous society based on what they believed was God's will. One Puritan writing stated that they would establish a city upon a hill, a symbol of goodness and virtuous living for all the world to see.